So hello YouTube, this is a short video on installing rain guards, or whatever you want to call them, splash guards, rain gutters to a Toyota Auris Touring, maybe known as a Corolla in America. And there's your joker there, and you've got these little holes, and you have to put these clips. So basically what I did, I got a matchstick with some Tipp-Ex on, poked it through the hole and made a mark so I knew where these things would be. Okay, so you pop down the rubber like that, get your little hook and you stick it up there like that. And when you're ready, you peel everything off the back, offer it up, and then you put the little pins through there and there, and when they're on, they actually look pretty much okay. Okay, thanks for watching.